So what if in just a few minutes you could find out it with your diet and know if your diet is good for you and good for the planet? So let me introduce you Foodbasket7, a free web application developed by IFIP, Pig and Pork Institute in France, as part of the European Pathway project. So this tool will allow you in just few clicks to create your weekly food basket and get a simple and visual assessment of the impact of your diet, both on your body and on the planet. So first, you will have to create an account. So you will need a mail address and a password. And with it, you will be able to create your account. So the first step on the tool is to define your profile. So you define your profile by defining your gender, your birth date, etc., and some quick question. And then based on your profile, you will have a table with 28 essential nutrients that give you your estimated daily needs. So for instance, for vitamin B2, you will need 1.6 milligrams per day. And for protein, based on the profile, you will need 58.1 grams per day. And so the next steps is to create the food basket. So you can create as many food baskets as you want. Each food basket is divided between 1 day to 7 days. To 7 days. And each day is divided in 4 different boxes, so breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. And for each, you can click on the box and add as many food items as you want. So for instance, for dairy products, you can add cheese, you can add meat and beverage, I don't know, banana, for instance. It's quite easy to add your different food items, and based on this food basket, you will be able to see the results. So I create a complete food basket, the 7-day food basket, and we can see the result by clicking on this button. And the results are divided in 2 different parts. On the left part of the screen, you will have the main information. So in the nutritional part, you will have a nutritional index, which is a synthesis of all of your results in the nutritional part. And you will click on different box to see the results. So for instance, on vitamin, you can click and you will see all of the vitamins. And each vitamin has a color, which explain to you if you have enough of these vitamins or not. And it's the same for the minerals, for the fatty acids, and etc. You can also click on the line to have a small text that explains you the role of the minerals, the role of the nutrients, and give you also some information on the food rich in these nutrients. You will have the same structure for the environmental assessment. So a synthetic score on top of the screen, and then 3 different boxes with different environmental impact indicator. So the first one is climate change, but you will have plenty of indicator. On the right part of the screen, you will find different information, different charts, and etc. to have a good estimation of your weekly information. And at the end, you will find all of your food basket on the dashboard, where you can compare them easily each other.